This message is for you. I'm talking to you. Guys, let's be honest with each other. You have a smile that's holding you back. You know it's a problem. You've done some research on it, but you've never made a decision to do something about it. And that's crazy. Chances are you probably don't even know what your smile would look like if it was amazing. My name's Bill Watson. I'm a smile designer. I'm the guy that you want to choose to improve your smile. The average person doesn't know what would happen if they improved their smile 10% or 20%, much less 100%. What makes a person want to live with the shame that comes along with having a bad smile? When you're talking to a guy who can fix it, I don't understand the disconnection. And it's okay, you may not want dental veneers, but at some point you want to improve your smile. And I can tell you, under all circumstances, I don't know anybody that will say, I have yellow teeth, I don't want them to be white. I have crooked teeth, I don't want them to be straight. If price is holding you back, I think I can get you financed. Do me a favor, comment below. Send me a direct message. Let me know what you think. I want to get away from regret. What I don't want you to do is watch a year from now or another year from now and go, you know, I could have done that for Christmas, or I could have done that for Thanksgiving, or I could have done that when I met my girlfriend, or I could have done that when I met these people. People come to me all the time and they say, I wish I would have done this earlier. If you're watching this video, we're where we need to be to make a decision between me and you on what it takes to improve your smile. And at the very least, send me 2 pictures of your smile. I'll let you know in 2 minutes if I can't improve it. But if you're watching this video, why do you still have a bad smile? What's keeping you from reaching out? I hope that you see something that makes you say, Bill had a connection with these people and I think he's changed their life. I'd like to do my next video where you're talking to me about how we changed your life. All around the world, every day, I help people improve their smile. So if there's something that's keeping you from reaching out to me, I'd like to know about it. I'll talk to you soon. I'll see you next week. Thank you, guys.